scholars, I hope you all are doing great. Myself Deepa Kataria, Maths educator from Countryside International School. Today we are going to start new unit, that is unit 2, addition and subtraction. This concept we have already studied in our previous classes. In class 5 we will study how to add and subtract with bigger numbers. Welcome dear scholars. We'll start with our new unit, that is unit 2, addition and subtraction. How to add and subtract smaller numbers we have already studied in our previous classes. In this unit we will study adding and subtracting of bigger numbers, profit and loss, and problem sums based on addition and subtraction. In this video we will learn about addition. So let's start with our today's topic, that is addition. What is addition? Addition is finding the total or sum by combining the number. That is, the total sum of two or more number is known as addition. Okay, or addition is finding the total of different values. What is operational symbol for addition? So here is the operational symbol for addition, that is plus. This is the operational symbol for addition. Now we will see some terms which are related to addition. Okay, so here we will see about addend and sum. The numbers which we add are called addends, and the answer we get after adding the addends is known as sum. Okay, we'll see this with the help of an example. Here we have 176 plus 82. These numbers we are adding. Therefore, these numbers are known as addends. And after adding, we get 258, which is a result of this addition, which is known as sum. Okay, so here 176 and 82 are addends, and when addends are added we get the result which is known as sum. Okay, now we will see some keywords which are related to addition. Keywords are very important while solving the word problems. So here few keywords are there for addition, that is total, increase, plus, altogether, sum, more, combine, in all. Again, total, increase, plus, altogether, sum, more, combine, and in all. Scholars, remember, if you find these keywords while reading your problem sum, you should understand that that problem sum is related to addition. Okay. Now we will start with some examples of addition. We will see how to add bigger numbers. Okay, first example we have over here is 3,26,043 plus 6,23,210. We will see how to add this number. Okay, scholars, you have to keep some points while adding the bigger number. First of all, arrange the numbers in column, okay, according to the place value chart. Again, I am repeating, arrange the numbers in column and according to the place value chart, that is ones under ones, tens under tens, and 100 under 100. See, we will see how to do this. See, I have arranged the digits in column and according to the place value chart, that is 3,26,043. Next is 6,23,210. Okay, and always start adding the digits from ones place. So we'll start from the ones place. 3 plus 0 is 3. Okay, when any number added to 0, we get the result as that number itself. Okay, 4 plus 1 is 5. 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, so here 3,26,043 plus 6,23,210 are addends, as we are adding this number, which you need to be placed exactly one below the other by following the place value chart, and the answer of the addition is known as sum. The answer we get, that is 9,49,253, is sum. We'll start with the next example of carryover. Okay, that is regrouping. So example we have over here is 79,002, 80,008, 7,700. Okay, steps are same. You need to arrange the digits in column and according to the place value chart. Okay, so here I have arranged the biggest number first and then smallest. Okay, that is 7,700, 80,008, 79,002. Okay, Now we'll start adding from ones place. Okay, so 0 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, which is equal to 1, 10 and 0, 1. So I will put 0 over here and I will carry forward ones to the tens place. Okay, as I have shown over here. Now we'll go to tens place and we'll add the digits that are present in tens place. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. Okay, now we will add the digits which are present in hundred place. Okay, that is 7 plus 0 plus 0, which is equal to 7. Then we will add the digits which are present at thousand place, that is 0 plus 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. Then we'll move to its left, which is 10,000. We'll add the digits that are 0 plus 8 plus 7, which is equal to 15. Okay, again what we'll do, we will write 5 over here and we will carry forward 1 to the next place of 10,000, that is lakh. Okay, so I have carried forwarded 1 over here as I have shown you. Okay, so we'll add the digits that are present in lakhs place, that is 7 plus 1, which is equal to 8. Okay, so here 79,002 plus 80,008 plus 7 lakh 700 are addends, as we are adding these numbers which you need to be placed exactly one below the another by following the place value chart, and the answer of the addition operation, that is this 8,59,710, is known as sum. Okay, now there are few things you need to remember in addition, that is changing the order of the addend does not change its sum. For example, 59 plus 11, which is equal to 70. Now it will change the order of this addend, that is 11 plus 59, the sum will remain as it is, that is 70 itself. Okay, so the order of the addend does not change its sum. This property is known as commutative property of addition. Next, sum of any number and 0 is equal to the given number. It means when we add 0 to any number, the sum will be the number itself. Okay, for example, 3,25,150 plus 0 is equal to 3,25,150, the number itself, and this property is known as zero property of addition. Okay, some important thing you have to remember while doing the addition, that you have to arrange the given number in column and then you have to add. This we have already discussed earlier. And next, add all the digits in each column starting from ones place. Okay, you have to always start from ones place. Regroup if required. Okay, now we'll start with the word problem. Okay, which is based on addition. So here we have statement, that is in a city there were 63,450 men, 59,252 women and 33,258 children. What was the total population of the city? To understand the problem well, read the statement twice. Okay, and find out the keyword in the statement. So here we have total as a keyword in the statement, which tells us that this word problem is based on addition. Okay, now next we need to frame the statement. How we do that? See, first of all, see the number 63,450. What this number tells us? This number tells us that there were 63,450 men in a city. So first statement will be number of man is equal to 63,450. Now see the next number, that is 59,252. What this number tells us, that there were 59,252 women in a city. So next statement will be number of women is equal to 59,252. Okay, now see the next third number, that is 33,258. What this number tells us, that there were 33,258 children in a city. So the third statement will be number of children equal to 33,258. Now what will be the last statement? What was the total population of the city? So the total population is equal to, what we need to do? We need to add all these numbers to find out the total population of the city. So see, number of men, number of women, number of children and then total population. You need to write the digits in column and according to the place value system, and then we'll start adding from ones place. So we'll start over here 0 plus 2 plus 8, which is equal to 10. Which state that 0, 1 and 1 10. So we will write 0 in the ones place and we will carry forward ones in the tens place. Now we will add the digits of tens place, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Okay. So 16 tens. So what we'll do? We will write 6 at tens place and we will carry 1 to the next place, that is at 100 place. Okay. Now we will add the digit that are present in 100 place. So 4 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 1, which is carry forwarded. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So we'll write 9 in the 100 place. Now we'll add the digit that are present in thousands place. So 3 plus 9 plus 3. So 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay. That is 15,000. So what we'll do? We will write 15 5 at thousands place and carry 1 to the 10,000 place. Then we'll add the digit that are present in 10,000 place. That is 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. So 6 plus 5, what is 6 plus 5? 11. Then 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So we'll write 15 over here. Okay. So what will be the final statement of the statement for sum? That is the total population of the city is 1,55,960. Okay. So scholar, here is your task. Okay. First task is that add the following. You have to add the addends and you have to find out the sum and write the answer in the comment box. While solving these sums, follow the steps. Okay. Properly. And one more task is waiting for you, that is think on it. Okay. You have to think on this. You have to find out the answer and you have to write the answer in the comment box. Okay. So here are 3 sums for you. You have to think on these 3 sums and you have to solve it. And one more trick I have given you, which will help you to solve one of these examples. These examples we will discuss in our next video. Okay. So thank you scholars. Stay home and take care.